Claiming Pacers lined up for tonight's fourth race, a field of 7 on gate, and the gate is rolling. And they're off. I'd Be Good at That. Sprints out for the early lead. Broadway Fame also left well from along the inside with Whispers Art. More Than Enough Russ is also hunting for good early position into the opening turn. And I'd Be Good at That continues on there up on the outside for Kyle Bolin and looks to clear from Broadway Fame. Whispers Art up from along the inside in third. More Than Enough Russ trying to tuck in fourth. In front of Skyway Scoot, the lone mare came away in fifth. Blue Star Majesty is sixth, and Paradise Ragtime is the trailer through an opening quarter, just 29-2. So it's a leisurely opening clip there as I'd Be Good at That. Looks for back-to-back wins, and he's got the lead as they race up the backside. Broadway Fame is on his back there in second. Whispers Art along the inside third. More Than Enough Russ races from fourth as Blue Star Majesty now moves to the outside first over from fifth. Paradise Ragtime picks up that cover second over from sixth. And Skyway Scoot has been shuffled back. It is the trailer as they race past the half in 58-2. Just 29 seconds for that second quarter. A well-rated leader, and I'd Be Good at That as they move on to the far turn. Blue Star Majesty now only a half length back of the outside second. Broadway Fame from along the inside third. Paradise Ragtime is second over fourth. Whispers Art nowhere to go from fifth. More Than Enough Russ gaps cover on the outside from sixth. And Skyway Scoot saves ground but continues to trail the field around the far turn. I'd Be Good at That continues to lead the way. Blue Star Majesty still there on the outside from second. Paradise Ragtime up on the outside third through three quarters. 127-2. I'd Be Good at That still there along the inside. Blue Star Majesty down the center of the track from second. Whispers Art shakes loose late on the far outside as they drive for the finish. I'd Be Good at That. Whispers Art down the center of the track. Whispers Art blew right by. Whispers Art gets up to win it from I'd Be Good at That. Broadway Fame was third. Blue Star Majesty fourth in 156-2. Art down